Hello friends, welcome to today's design thinking class, and in this class we will see the innovation in product development from first unit, introduction to design. First let us see the definition of innovation in product development. That is, product innovation is defined as the development and market introduction of new product or redesigned product, or it may be improved product or improved services. So this is called as product innovation definition, and it is about developing something new and original product. Sometimes the existing product can also be improved much better when introducing this product innovation. For example, everyone cannot be first to invent driverless car. Anyone can be the first to make the better driverless car because of this innovation. When we introduce this innovation, we can create a better product at first time. Here the innovation should be implemented on both sides, that is the development side and the demand side. Development side means production side, and demand side means consumer side. Okay, first let us see the development side, that is innovation on development side. Here product innovation is challenging factor in almost all industries, because before introducing any new product they will get some fear definitely, and the fear of failure that will affect the very large successful enterprises also. And next let us see the innovation on demand side, that is innovation on consumer side, because more number of consumers choices will be increased nowadays because of those digital channels, and this resulting constantly changing, that is constantly increasing the customer expectation. Customer expectations will get increased because they will get more number of choices. And through this digital market, the demand for greater personalization, the ability to market, advertise to and develop product or services, and these are the things will suit individual consumer preferences. Okay, so based on the consumer satisfaction, we need to innovate our product. To boost the business, first we should find the customer needs and then develop the best solution for it. That is, based on the customer needs, we should innovate our new products. In product innovation, and this will be based on the mindset, processes and methodologies that makes huge difference in accelerating the time to profitability of new or improved, that is improved existing product or existing services, and long-term adaptation of in the market. And in the complicated and fast improving world, brands are no longer dominating the customers, but the frequent innovation is important in all products to hold the existing customers and to get more new consumers also. The next one is the importance of product innovation in business success. For any business, the innovative products will always attract the consumers, that is new consumers, as well as that will hold the existing consumers also. Hence, to get benefits, we need to invest in innovation as well as the product development, and this impacting everyone from executives to sales and marketing to the consumer services and beyond. And here are the 4 reasons how innovative products will improve the business success rate. The first one is expansion, second one is competition, third one is customer retention, and fourth one is talent acquisition. First, the expansion. Here, the successful innovation brings more innovation, which by nature enables the business to scale and grow. Our business scale will get increased. And next one is competition. Here, the unique solution which we develop, that will help to differentiate the business among the competition, and this will boost their revenue while pushing the entire industry in the positive direction. That is, our revenue will get increased rapidly. And the third one is customer retention. The innovation, that is the innovation of product development, helps to ensure the customer retentions, and they will happy to buy our product always. And next one is talent acquisition. In top tier, that is in top tier employees in an industry, they will work the business at the innovative forehead of our industries, and that's where the action, learning and opportunities are. Okay, so these are the four reasons for introducing an innovative products. So up to this we have seen the innovation in product development, that is definition of innovation in product development and importance of product innovation in business success, as well as we have seen the four reasons for this innovation in product development. The reasons are expansion, competition, customer retention and talent acquisition. And for more information, please go through your textbook. Thank you.